Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I'm leaving the option for my services at 50% off for the first year open, and I'll be providing further details after the clip ends. So if you're interested, please stay on. I'll be talking to you again at the end of the clip. I would like you also to read carefully the disclaimer that I'm going to put up now, so that it is clear to you before you go ahead and watch the video. This is just a standard thing. Okay, that's the gold bugs index. As I've shown you in previous videos, momentum is dead for the bulls. It is time to be very cautious. There is a possible wave count here with a diagonal top, as you can see here, that is often associated with a top of pretty long advance, and that's exactly what we experienced here. The move started way back in September, and it is showing a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in place. Okay, so again, I urge you to be cautious concerning gold and silver. This is the HUI on the 4-hour scale. Here's the chart of gold. That's the 2-hour scale, and I elaborated yesterday on the possibility of a diagonal top also here in gold. I think you can't fail to see that there is a huge amount of overlapping price action here, and this is often associated either with a correction or a diagonal top, and this could work as an ABCD, but I will not be shocked if we end up having this, another leg. Yeah, do you see that it's just going to drag on a bit? Right now it is still stuck right here as I'm talking to you, but I will not be surprised if you have this. But I don't think that running above 1950 would lead you to 2000. That's what I mean. I think it will probably be a spike top and it will sink. Okay, I could be flat wrong. So if we break soon 1920, we sink under this line, the top is behind us. Yeah. It's time really to prepare, if you're not already ready, it's time to prepare for a correction. Gold is in a serious bull market, but as I said many times, markets don't go up in a straight line. It's possible that I'm underestimating the strength of what is going on here. Let it be, let Mr. Market show me. But right now, this is my projection that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, I think the 50 is in place or nearly in place. Okay, now we can't get stuck here for 2-3 weeks. That will mean strength. Yeah, if it refuses to fall and it hangs around here for another week or two, that tells you no, hey, wait a minute, the wave count is different. It's possible we are in a 1-2, 1-2 situation. As I said to you in previous videos, that could be a possibility that that's a 1-2, 1-2, and we're just going up and up and up. But how that is going to settle with the other wave counts that we have in the Australian dollar, in the euro, it doesn't quite settle with that, you see, or with the DX. So that's why my preference right now is to treat this as a 5-wave run. Okay, silver. Silver is, the situation is still not clear to me, and I'm not in the business of imposing wave counts. I'm reviewing the possibilities. We're just assessing the odds. It's not a business of black and white, and you know, that is a daily scale of silver, and silver is very strong, no question. But the thing is that a 1, 2, 3, 4 we experienced a failure here? Or is that still an ongoing fourth wave? Well, it's not out of question, quite frankly. It's not out of question. It will be extremely a long fourth wave, something that I'm not really used to see often, but it's not out of question. This is literally, yeah, it'll go on. It's probably not finished. If this is a fourth wave, it's not finished. Yeah, of course it's not finished. It'll go on. But I would prefer at this point to treat this as a possible failure. Coming down, I have an A, I have a B. You can't see the A is hiding somewhere here. That's an A, or we take this as an A. Okay, that's yeah, the decline here is essentially an ABC, which I take as an A. That's UB with an ABC, and we're coming down. We're coming down right away as a C, or we are going to continue to go sideways, and then when gold is also ready to break a bit, we're going to get our C. Yeah, like that. And silver breaking to 2150, 21 is there, buy, no question. Okay, so that's the situation currently that I see in silver. I'll jump here to the 60 minutes and we'll see. You see, we also have a lot of overlapping areas here. It's pretty obvious, isn't it? A lot of overlapping areas. You see, one way of taking this decline is simply as an ABCDE. A, B, C, D, E. That gives you the A, you see. And then an A, B, C. Sorry, it was spiked. Probably it's a misprint. And then you have A, B, C like that. And then going down in a big C, or as I said, just going sideways. That means probably staying under 2410. Staying under 2410. And just strolling around here while gold is beginning gradually to fall. Be careful, this is not suggesting this is coming, but rather that this is coming. Yes. My website, the homepage is right here. It's Wave Mastery, www.wavemastery.com. Yeah, wavemastery in one word.com. That takes you to the home page. You can scroll down, look through some things that I've written here, some recommendations from past users and current users, and that is essentially the offer currently open only to first-time subscribers. Okay, so there is the daily service, daily videos that are preceded by a trial, so you can take the trial for 1 week. And at the end of that, if you're happy, you do nothing, you go on to the plan of half price. Essentially 79 presents half price of the normal price, and that will be good for 1 year. That means 12 payments of 79. If you want to watch just the weekend videos, then you go for this one, and it does give you access to the weekend videos, and I often also insert a video as a bonus midweek, just to keep you on track, to see a little bit you know, where things are moving, because sometimes 1 week of full price action is a lot, and the wave count can change, especially if you're a short-term trader. You really want to know what's happening. So that is essentially the situation. If you decide to go, for example, for the daily videos, you click here, it takes you to the page where it explains to you, you should read that. It explains to you what is covered, etc., etc. If you like what you read, you click here, subscribe. It takes you to PayPal, because my paying system is through PayPal, and you pay through PayPal. You can see you have the trial at $9.99. That's for the first 7 days. As I said, if you like what you see, do nothing. It just goes automatically. If you don't like, you can cancel. Or if you don't know how to cancel, or you have any doubt, you have any question, you can write to me, of course. Once you go through and you pay, you come back, PayPal will send you back to my website to fill in your profile details, choose your login, and once you do that, you will be led automatically to the page with the links to the various videos classified by date. If at any point in time in this process you have a problem, things are not going as I'm describing to you right now, all you have to do is just contact me and I'll help you out. That is essentially it. So you'll have 1 week to look at things. I would like to just spend a minute about the website itself. I have written here a few articles. Is this website for me? You can go through that one. Psychology and trading, trading and the arts, why join? Yes, each of these articles could perhaps help you to see how to relate to my website, but there is no substitute, in my opinion, to actually take a trial. You know, you take a trial, and I want to say another thing. You take a trial and you can't make up your mind. You want more time to think. Fine, I understand that. Then you cancel, but then you're not allowed to take another trial. Please, I want to be very clear about that. There are people who abuse this, and it's really not right. You're not allowed to take more than one trial, okay? A trial is a trial. But if you're interested, after you take a trial, you're interested to come back, you can still benefit from the low price for the next full year, but you have to write to me, and then I will send you a special link without a trial. And if you join, then you're going to go immediately onto the reduced price plan for 12 months. Okay? If you take another trial after you took already one, I am going to have to cancel that and refund you. And if you do that 2 or 3 times, I'm just going to blacklist you, because there are people who have been doing it, and I'm afraid this is really absolutely not right. This is subscribe here. Use subscription. Once you are logged in, you will see this one highlighting you daily service videos or weekend service videos. Yeah, it will show which one you really have the right to access. The daily service videos, to be very clear, they cover the weekend service videos, okay? So you don't have to subscribe to both. The daily covers everything I do. The weekend, of course, is more selective. Now, I have here resources. There are chart galleries right here, chart 1, 2, 3. There are plenty of charts here that give you an idea how I go about subdividing various market action here. I covered a lot of markets, and you can see there is history here that could be very interesting for you to just go through. Let's see, platinum, for example. Yes, that's 1973 to 1978. If you click right on top where it shows you the hand, the chart opens up big. You can print it if you like. Here's an example of platinum, April 1980. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the huge correction that followed after that. So there is plenty for you, whichever market you're interested in, the financials, commodities, precious metals, etc. Okay, so that's chart galleries. Then useful links, as the name implies. Yes, recommended reading list. You have a long list of books here that I've read over the years that I found very interesting. Of course, I have many more books that I would like to add. It's just a question of time. I don't always have time to update this one. But the books that you find here did help me in the beginning, and still. The information here is very valuable in these books. For example, Kroll. I don't know how many of you heard about Stanley Kroll. Stanley Kroll was a really imaginative fellow trader that wrote very well about his own trading and in trading in general. I learned a lot from these books. And of course, if you haven't heard about Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, you should get this book and read it. You will not regret. This is a book that most traders, I think, have come across and read. It is very interesting. And as you go down the list, you will see if there are things that are of interest to you. Of course, go ahead, get them. Some of them are even available online for free as a PDF. Check that. If you have questions about that, you can even contact me. Here's the contact us, and you put your name. Please make sure you give me the right email address. Message, simple maths, submit, I get it. You'll hear from me. I'm based in Belgium, so if you write to me from Australia or from the US and I'm having my rest, do not be surprised if I don't react quickly, okay? Normally within a day you will have a reply from me. I check my email fairly regularly. So that's about it. Hope to see you visiting my website. Hope to see you taking a trial. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate. Get in touch with me, and wishing you great trading week. Bye now.